So how will SAPNA realize this ambition or this dream? Well, this is how we see SAPNA coming to life. It'll be through a broad range of SAPNA-sponsored or SAPNA-enabled health education events. We'll take on highly relevant topics, as suggested perhaps by our members, or as coming from the South Asian community itself. And we'll make it happen in a variety of ways. So let me give you some examples of the kind of events that I'm talking about. It could range from a small group of 10 people where we do a healthy cooking class in Punjabi for 10 people in someone's home. It could be a full-day seminar for, say, 100 people where we're talking about diabetes or heart disease or mental illness. It could be a 2-day South Asian health fair for thousands of people. It could be anything in between these examples. The point here is that we see SAPNA as a platform or the enabler to make these events happen and to make a difference. So how will SAPNA help? How will SAPNA add value? Well, it's simple. The SAPNA value add is through the experience provided through our growing network of members. Look around you, from the people that you've met today, you'll appreciate there's a very mixed group of people here, and I'm really pleased to see that, because we'll have access to people who can really help to make these events happen. From event organization, to finding a venue, to marketing and publicizing the event, to fundraising, to finding speakers and facilitators. We'll have health professionals or access to health professionals that can deliver the content. Now, one of the key things that makes SAPNA different from other organizations is that while we do that, we want our members to give back and feel really good about giving back. But we want to help them to grow, personally and professionally. This will make them stronger. This will make them even better contributors in terms of the overall SAPNA cause and giving back to their communities. So how are we going to do that? Well, we plan on offering innovative professional development and networking events, and you'll experience one a little later on tonight. We'll offer mentorship programs. We'll offer career coaching and development. And of course, we'll have the regular fundraising type of events like gala dinners and golf tournaments, etc. So plenty of opportunity to mix with people who are like-minded while pursuing a very worthwhile cause. Now let me ask you a question. How will you make a difference? I'd like you to give that some really serious thought. Perhaps you have some expertise, perhaps in marketing or IT or finance. Indians should be good at finance and that kind of thing. Maybe you or your company can sponsor a SAPNA health education event. Maybe you're a fantastic fundraiser. Maybe you're a physician or a pharmacist or a scientist that can help us with presentations. Maybe you can spare us some volunteer time to help out with one of our events. So we don't want you to leave this evening without sharing your thoughts with us. So what I would suggest is that you write your thoughts down on your business card. And if you don't have business cards, we have some blank business cards lying around on these tables. We have some pens, so you have no excuse. So write your thought down on your card and deposit it in that box. There's a box just in the reception area where you came in. So please leave that behind. So that's how we take SAPNA to the next level. So please, as I said, start by depositing your card in the comment suggestion volunteer box. You can talk to a member of the SAPNA team about becoming a part of the SAPNA team, and I'll point out the SAPNA team to you in just a minute. You can register as a member of SAPNA. It's simple, it's free. Just go onto our website at www.mysapna.org. So at this point, I'd like to introduce you to the SAPNA team. So they're all scattered around. So I'm going to ask them just to come up here for a minute, because I want you to acknowledge and see who all these people are. Nobody's coming. Come on, SAPNA team. Okay. There's a few folks who couldn't make it, and there's a few folks wandering along here as well. So they're wearing, you'll see that they're wearing slightly different colored badges from the rest of you. We spent great extra money to give them those badges. They're kind of whereas you have the kind of the white badges at the top. Okay, so I'm just going to ask each of them to kind of raise their hand as I point them out and I say their names, but please hold your applause until the end. So we have Priya Arora, Nina Baluja, Ajay Bhatia, I think Gerard Fernandez couldn't make it today, Prem Karunakaran, everyone knows Prem, Preeti Karunakaran, Vinny Kumar, Anesh Mistry, Conrad Narona, Nital Patel, she couldn't make it tonight unfortunately, Vijay Sapani, Bhupesh Shah, Sangeeta Sindwani, and Farah Zaman. I'm not sure if she could make it either. So thank you, SAPNA team. So they've really put in a lot of work to get us to this really important milestone. So I'd like to really thank them a lot for that.